Welcome to my suite at the St. Kitts Marriott. We will go on a tour before we start. We're the only one that has an elevator here, and the Marriott has been very generous to let me stay at the suite during my stay in St. Kitts. Come inside. The last couple of weeks has been just meetings after meetings, and this is the perfect suite to stay in, especially if you have a lot of meetings like me and you want to come back home after a very long day to relax. My workstation's over there, a lot of comfy sofas, and it's on full blast, hence why I'm wearing a turtleneck. I love to cook, and this suite has a kitchen, so a full kitchen, microwave. They're generous enough to offer all these coffee, and of course I travel with my peanut butter, if you know I am. And I did some laundry because my next destination I'll be going to Dominica. So this has been really a lifesaver. Now the bathroom. What I find really interesting is not only just the standing shower and this tub, which has the jets. I'm going to definitely try this later tonight. But this toilet, when I lived in Asia, a lot of toilets they have these features, but here has the female and the male, and you have different water pressures. When I was in Japan, for example, they had the heated seats. I know it's really strange, but it's the best hygiene for your bum. I have a double sink to the bedroom. Now it is an absolutely comfortable mattress. The housekeeping just came, but again, I like to get 8 hours, if not 10 hours of sleep a night, because as a woman, we need more sleep. So being well rested to be ready and prepped for the day. I start my day around like 6 a.m. and I head over to the gym. They have a nice gym on the property, which is 24 hours. And if I'm really hungry and want a late night snack, there is a bakery that is open until 11 p.m. This Halloween, which was last week, they had a really cool Halloween party, and it was just really nice to see all the families, the kids, everyone really dressed up. So Marriott does celebrate American holidays here, and it was just a really nice way to head up to the weekend and start a new month or November. I'm not much of a TV watcher, but it's nice to have a full screen TV, and that is it. Stay tuned for part 2, where I'll show you around the Marriott property. It is quite big. They have several pools, 8 restaurants, many conference and meeting rooms, shops. I'll show you pieces, but for now I just want to say thank you, Marriott, for hosting me here. It's been lovely. It's made start my day and end my day here is very comfortable, and I'll show you more tomorrow. Thank you.